know me, my name is Areli, and today I am very excited because the Christmas season is finally here and it's my favorite season of the year, and I have lots and lots of videos prepared for you guys with the Christmas season theme. I already recorded some of them and this is the first one of this year. So I'm very excited. If you don't want to miss any of the future Christmas videos, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so YouTube can let you know, because I will be uploading videos very constantly throughout this season. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. I'm sure you are going to love them. They are so beautiful and so easy that you can make in your own house. And the craft that I'm going to show you today is very fun and very easy, especially if you have children. Today I'm going to show you how to make ornaments or Christmas decorations with pipe cleaners. Yes, I know it sounds weird, but they are absolutely super cute. They are super easy to make and they are very inexpensive. So if you would like to see how to make Christmas ornaments with pipe cleaners, keep watching this video. To make our beautiful Christmas ornaments with pipe cleaners, we will need pipe cleaners of different shades of green, white, and red. Optional, you can have pom-poms to decorate, brown and yellow foamy, decorative ribbon, scissors, and a hot glue gun. First, we are going to make these beautiful candy canes, and to make them, we take a white and a red pipe cleaner and we twist them together to form the characteristic lines of the candy canes. Once it's ready, we fold it in half and cut it with a pair of scissors so we have two equal pieces. Then we take the upper end and bend it this way, trying to make the curve as straight as possible, and do the same with the second strip. And once they are ready, we need to add some strings so we can hang them on our tree. We take a piece of decorative ribbon, and in this case I found this one that is the same colors as the candy canes. We tie it on the top as shown, and then we make a knot at the top end, forming a loop that will be where we hang the candy on our tree. Finally, we cut the excess and our first ornament is ready. For our second ornament, we will make Christmas trees. For this, we will take a green pipe cleaner and begin to roll it on a spiral shape, trying that the bottom is wider and the top is narrower, and that our spiral is as straight as possible. Once it's ready, we can decorate it. I found this gorgeous ribbon in the shape of stars, so I cut a couple of them and I will place them at the top of the tree. But if you cannot find ribbon like this, you can cut little stars of yellow foam instead. We take a piece of decorative ribbon, fold it in half and glue it at the top of the tree. Once it's dry, we take our little stars and glue them over the ribbon to cover it, and I decided to put one on each side so it looks prettier. And as a final touch, you can decorate it a little further if you want by adding pom-poms to simulate ornaments, or you can leave it as is. So in this case I made one of each so you can see how each option looks like. And with this, our cute little Christmas tree ornaments are ready. For our last ornament, we will make a Christmas wreath. And for this, we will take 3 different shades of green pipe cleaners and we begin to braid them together as shown. And this will give our wreath a very nice look. Once it's ready, we bend it to form a circle, trying to make it as straight as possible, and the excess we roll it around as shown so that it is double and it looks thicker. Once it's ready, we can decorate it. And in this case, I will put a bow made of red pipe cleaner. And if you like, you can also add some pom-poms to simulate ornaments. We take our decorative ribbon and tie it as we did with the candy canes. And afterwards, we glued the little bow on top to cover the ribbon. And our Christmas wreath is ready. And these are the little ideas I wanted to share with you so you can make your own ornaments with pipe cleaners. And as you could see, they are super easy to make and the result is absolutely beautiful. Plus, I'm sure there are many other things you can create, so let your imagination fly and have fun in the process. And that is the result of our super cute ornaments with pipe cleaners. As you could see, the process is so simple that you can involve children. I think this idea is so useful and the result is absolutely gorgeous, as you could see. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and as I told you before, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos of this Christmas season on this channel. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. You can find all the links in the description down below. And as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!